Pushback left approved.
Roger. Pushback left.
Request cross runway. Pushback right approved. Roger. Pushback right. Request start up. Turn left next taxiway. Request start up. Start up approved. Call me back when ready to taxi. Pushback left approved. Roger. Pushback left. Request taxi. Request cross runway. Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Departure runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Contact tower on 118.500. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Request pushback.
Startup approved. Call me back when ready to taxi.
Request taxi.
At parking. Information. Bravo. Read to copy. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Departure runway 09 right. Contact when ready to start. Departure runway 09 right. When ready to start.
Request pushback.
Pushback left approved.
Roger. Pushback left. Holding point runway 09 right.
Contact tower on 118.500. Pushback left approved. Roger. Pushback left.
Request taxi.
Holding point runway. 09, right.
Request pushback. Pushback right approved. Roger. Pushback right. Contact tower on 118.500.
Good day. Holding point runway. 09, right. Ready for departure.
Wind 259 degrees. 0 knots. Clear for takeoff runway. 09 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Flaps. Clear for takeoff runway. 09, right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Roger.
80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Flaps.
Runway vacated. Wind 261 degrees. 3 knots. Clear for takeoff runway. 09 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet. Clear for takeoff runway. 06 left. Call you back passing.
Leaving 3,000 feet. Good day, just airborne. Climbing to next waypoint.
Reach target altitude. Leaving departure.
Departure contact. Proceed with your flight plan.
Roger.